If you want to delete your Booking.com account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Booking.com website and log into your account using your email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page under the profile icon. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for the option related to account management or privacy settings. Here, you should find the option to delete or deactivate your account. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Click on the account deletion option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After completing the necessary steps, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to check your email for any final confirmation regarding the deletion of your account. Once you have completed these steps, your Booking.com account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.